So this poor little guy, I think he hit our window. He's a little stunned. We put some water and bird seed here for him. But I just wanted to get a quick shot of him while I'm out here giving him some food. Hi, little buddy. You have a good rest there, okay? Yeah, you're safe. You don't have to go anywhere anytime soon, okay? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you can go to sleep. You're so cute. Yes, you are. I hope you're okay. I do. I have no idea what kind of bird this is, but it is just so adorable. Yeah. As you can see, we're kind of high up on a pretty busy area, so no idea where this guy came from, but if you want, you can live on our balcony. You'll be an outdoor pet. How about that?